Okay, just really quickly, I wanted to walk you through how to post your lesson plans in PowerTeacher Pro. Obviously, first you have to have your lesson plans typed out, so I'm looking at Mrs. Moore's lesson plans for third grade here, and some of you may not do it this way. It looks like, as I'm looking at this, it looks like Mrs. Moore has all of her lesson plans for all of her classes right here in, in one page. So for Monday, October 31, she's got Bible all the way through writing all in one page. So this is fine. So we're going to go ahead and make sure that this is saved. We've got Monday, and then obviously the next page is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So all of her lesson plans are in one document, which is really, really nice. So we're going to go. So we're going to come over here and get logged in. I'll go ahead and log in as Mrs. Moore. And we'll come on over to PowerTeacher Pro and get right into the grade book. And we're going to come over here to quarter 2. No assignments exist, and that's fine. First thing that we need to do is make sure that we have a category created for those lesson plans. So you're going to come up here where you have your plus sign to create a new category. And if you come over here to the View All tab, you'll see that right now we have quiz, test, and homework. This little school icon right here indicates that these were set up by the office. But you can create your own category here, and I'll show you how to do that. So the new category name is going to be Lesson Plans. We'll put that in there. And then choose a different color than the colors that you've already used for your categories. I like to use gray. So choose gray. You want it to be an active category. And you can give a description here if you want to. Daily work and homework for each week, whatever you want to call that there. Let's go over to the assignment defaults here. We do want it to be published immediate, published scores. That just means that whatever you put in there is going to show up for parents to see. So you do want that box checked. Traditional grade options. Here under score type, it tells you to select score type. We're going to do collected only, because obviously we're not going to give a grade for lesson plan. So it's collected only. And then count in traditional final grade. No, we don't want this particular assignment, these lesson plans to count in their grade. So that is unchecked, and we'll save it. And that then gives us the category of lesson plan. So when we come over here, click on grading and assignment list, no assignments, but if we want to add one, we're going to click here to assignment. We're going to do a new assignment. What class do we want this to show up in? Well, if you remember, Mrs. Moore had all of her classes in one document. So obviously we want this to show up in all of her classes. So by selecting other classes, that chooses all of the classes that she is currently teaching. And we're going to do, let's call it third grade this week. Maybe she might change that later. I don't know if that would work or not, but that maybe we'll just call it third grade. Let's just call it lesson plans. It's probably easier, right? So category, we're going to choose the new category that we created called lesson plans. Obviously, it's not a quiz, it's not test, it's not homework. This is lesson plans. The score type automatically defaults to collected only because that's what we set up. Now we have to put something here in the description. You'll notice that we have the option here to create a link to a document. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to put a link in here to link to the lesson plans that we have created. So we're going to go ahead and do that. We're going to navigate to wherever it was that we saved our lesson plans. Third grade lesson plans. I've got Monday's date. 10/31/2022. I'm going to right click on those, and I'm going to do share. Not the share with Skype, we're going to do the share. It will pop up and it will allow me to share that document. Now I would recommend that you not do anyone with the link can edit. That would give them the ability to make edits. You can click on that and change it to anyone with the link can view but cannot make changes. So we'll apply that and then copy the link. Remember, it says here, anyone with the link can view, and we do copy. So now we've got that link pasted on our clipboard. Remember too that this needs, in order to be able to do this Word document or Excel document or PDF or however it is that you're saving your lesson plans, needs to be in your OneDrive. If you don't have it saved in your OneDrive, you won't be able to get that link to it. So just saving it locally on your C drive or on the network here at CCS will not allow you to paste that into a link that anybody can access. So make sure that you're saving your lesson plans actually in your OneDrive. So then when you right click, I'll show you that again, you're going to right click and you're going to see share. You're going to get those settings. Remember, you don't want them to be able to edit it. You want to change it to anyone with the link can view, then apply, and then copy that link. That's it right there. Then we're going to go back into the description where we were typing that assignment. And all we have to do is something very simple. You do lesson plans. Highlight that, select this link icon, and then paste the link right in there. This is the link to those lesson plans that you created, and click OK. Now you'll see that this is blue and underlined, and that's a link. Now you can click on that. It'll take you right to your lesson plans when it's displayed for parents. Save and close. You'll notice that it's there. Notice how it's there not just for Bible, but it's there for history. It's there for language. It's there for math. And it's that way because we selected for it to show up in all classes. Now, secondary teachers, you could do it the same way if you wanted. One document with all your lesson plans for all your classes, or you could break it up into separate classes and just post it individually. That's up to you how you post those, but those do need to be posted. If you have any questions, let me know. And I look forward to seeing those lesson plans starting Friday, November 4. So starting Friday, November 4, get those lesson plans posted for the following week. And I look forward to seeing those. If you have any questions, of course, let me know, and I'd be glad to help out.